call it clear skies, but it's close. There's the sun peeking through in certain spots. So, as you can see, the bike's back. Back for about a day or two now. Went in for fuse box issue. Fuses kept popping, and while it was away, I replaced the clutch master cylinder because the old one was leaking and it was dripping on the paint, so we had to sort that out. Now theoretically, in my mind, the bike should be running fine. There should be no problems with it. But yesterday I still got NFI light turned on. Driving was not affected though, but it still, yeah, the light came on. Other than that, the only other thing that is still broken or wrong with the bike, speed sensor. I am definitely not doing 40 kilometers per hour right now. That's because when the gearbox broke, the speed sensor went with it, and I replaced it with a 3D printed one versus an original one because price to comparison. But now that means my kilometers are not reading correctly, speed is not reading correctly, but that's fine for now. Still drives. Makes it feel like you're getting really horrible gas mileage, but that's fine. I know it's not that bad because I know I get quite a lot of range out of the tank, similar to before. And I was gaslighting myself thinking, no, the bike is very, very heavy on fuel now. Turns out it was just a freaking speed sensor. So there's that, and then also the clutch brake needs to be replaced. Yeah, I'm not have to go. Hopefully, after this weekend, I'll have an update. After next week, there'll be an update for the CBR. It's going way to the shop to get worked on. Because I don't have a garage as of yet to work on it myself. Got to take it somewhere. I found somewhere that'll take it on. Let's see what happens. I thought I was avoiding all the traffic. Wow, the lower back is getting cold. The shirt came untucked. It's cold. The snorkeling jacket wasn't meant to be worn on its own. It was meant to be worn with the pants combination. The pants are supposed to keep that part closed. Ah, it's